the first thing you need to do is set up CMDR. We will not waste time on this, but will immediately get down to business. This script is responsible for the appearance of the command, so to speak.
You can also add other arguments like Boolean or something like that. But in general, this is the main script. It fulfills the intended purpose of the command. You can change the text when the command is done, like cleared all mobs on the map, or something like that. The rest of the clear commands have exactly the same execution system, but the names of the folders that will be cleared have been changed. So let's move on to other commands. So, there are already two arguments. This is the player and the amount of money that we want to give to the player. Okay, we've got that, let's move on. Here is our main script. It will header subtract from the value of cash gold if you did according to the tutorials, the specified amount. So let's move on to other commands. This command adds life to your base. Here it is very short. But in general, the main script, it is very long, so I will make a document with explanations for each command. At this point, I'm separating the lines so that it's easier for you to read the script. So, well, let's move on. Well, here is one of the most interesting commands in our video. It takes two arguments, the name of the mob and the number. If you have any questions, what are these two incomprehensible lines for you default and optional read in the document, everything is written there. But in general, the main script, in my last video, in the script there was a check for only part of the name, and here it completely checks it. Also don't forget to change this path to the mob script. Let's move on to also one of the interesting commands that disables the limit on towers. There is nothing supernatural in this command, it just puts your number of placid towers on a huge negative number. Also, as a gift for a long absence from the channel, keep a script for the spawn unit as a gift. Wow, almost nothing has changed, magic D. Now the part where we make the use of the command more convenient will begin. Now we are creating a table with names in order to make it easier to spawn. The next part of the video is not particularly important, I just show them there. If you have watched up to this point, then congratulations, here is the script of the unit. That's the most important thing to make everything work. Also, in order for your units to spawn, create 2 folders in your map: reversed waypoints and unit start. Unit start should start at the final waypoint of the mob, and reversed waypoints are the same waypoints, only vice versa. That is, if your final waypoint is 5, then it should be 1 in this folder, and so on. Don't forget to subscribe. And also shout out to YouTuber under the name Normal Error.